So good day. One of the family planning methods to be considered is the cervical mucus method, also known as the Billings method, which is a natural family planning approach. This method helps women understand their fertility by observing natural changes in cervical mucus throughout the menstrual cycle without the use of drugs, devices, or medical procedures. So, how does the cervical mucus method work? The cervical mucus method works by observing daily changes in cervical mucus to identify fertile and infertile days. After menstruation, a woman usually experiences dry days with little or no mucus, which indicates low fertility. As ovulation approaches, the mucus becomes sticky, cloudy, or creamy, showing that fertility is beginning to increase but is not yet at its peak. Near ovulation, the mucus becomes clear, slippery, and stretchy, similar to raw egg white. This is called peak fertile mucus and indicates the highest chance of pregnancy. After ovulation, the mucus becomes thick, sticky, or dry again, signaling to return to infertile days. By tracking these changes daily, couples can determine when to avoid or achieve pregnancy. Couples who want to avoid pregnancy should abstain from sexual intercourse during these fertile days, while those trying to conceive may take intercourse during this period. The cervical mucus method has several advantages. First, it is natural and does not use hormones, chemicals, pills, or devices. It is free of cost and only requires daily observation. The method also improves awareness of reproductive health and has no side effects, unlike hormonal contraceptives. However, there are also disadvantages. It requires daily discipline and careful observation. It can be less effective if used incorrectly, especially for women with irregular cycles. The method also requires partner cooperation, particularly during fertile days. Next.
So let's move on to the effectiveness, cost, and availability. So the effectiveness with perfect use, the cervical mucus method is about 97 to 99% effective in preventing pregnancy. However, with typical use, which may include missed observations or irregular cycles, effectiveness drops to around 75 to 88%. So cost, this method is completely free, no devices, medication, or special tools are needed. It only requires observing cervical mucus every day. Last is the availability. Information and training are widely accessible. You can learn through health centers, natural family planning clinics, or online resources and apps that guide you on how to track fertility accurately. So, personal insight and reflection. So, the cervical mucus method, also called the Biling method, is a natural, cost-free way for women to track their fertility. By observing daily changes in cervical mucus, a woman can identify her fertile and infertile days. The method is effective if used consistently and correctly, but its reliable drafts of observation are missed or cycles are irregular. It's easy to use since it requires no equipment, just awareness and discipline. This method has no side effects and can help either avoid or achieve pregnancy. However, it does not protect against sexual transmitted infections, so additional protection may be needed if STI prevention is a concern. And that's all for the cervical mucus method.